Hey everyone, this is Deepika and welcome to Kanooni Soch. Friends, today we have got a video on child custody for you. As we all know, if there is a matrimonial dispute going on and if the couple has a child, then they fight for the child custody the maximum, because everybody loves his or her child and everybody wants that, okay, the child should remain with me. I should get the child custody because I don't want my child to go away from me. So it is a very sensitive issue. Friends, if you have a child, then you should not go for divorce. If you have any matrimonial dispute, then you should sort it out outside court only. If it can be sorted out, then you should leave no stone unturned. But friends, there are cases that where disputes cannot be sorted out. So you need to go for divorce for other cases and as well as for child custody. So friends, today my video is on child custody only. Friends, before starting this video, I would like to say that if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, then kindly subscribe it and press the notification bell, because we keep on uploading such legal important videos for you and you can get quick updates for it. So don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. So friends, without wasting any time, let's move on to this video. Friends, first of all, I would like to say many people think that, okay, if the child is a boy, then custody goes to father, and if she's girl, then custody goes to mother. Friends, this is totally a myth. It is not true. No matter whether the child is a boy or a girl, court doesn't see the gender before giving custody to mother or father. Now, what does court see? Court sees the welfare of the child. That where is the welfare of the child, where can be better education can be done, who can take better care of the child, whether the father or the mother. Now court sees this. Just the priority is on the welfare of the child. Now there are few things on child custody that if father or mother, if any parent is has some criminal background, or he or she has some bad habits, supposing drinking alcohol, cigarette, and etc., so court will see that if you have criminal background or if you have any bad habit, then that parent will never get child custody. Or if the parent, one of the parent has become a sannyasi or sannyasini, that means if any parent has left the world and he has gone somewhere, has left everyone, has left the world for the reason of spirituality, then in this case also, where the parent has become sannyasi or sannyasini, then he or she will never get the child custody. And if any parent has converted his or her religion, in that case also, he or she will never get the child custody. So friends, you need to take care of these points, no matter if you're father or mother, and if you want child custody, then you should go for this case. Remember friends, you should file separate case for child custody. Generally, when we file for divorce, we put an application for child custody also in that case only. But you should take care that you should file separate case for child custody, because this matter is totally different. Now, if you run separate case, you have to prove in court that you are perfect to take care of your child. You can fulfill your child's need, whether it is education, whether it is basic needs. So you need to take care of all these points. If any parent is of unsound mind, then he or she will never get the child custody. So you don't need to be disheartened by thinking that, okay, if it is a boy, then father will get the child custody, or if it is a girl, then mother will get child custody. No friends, gender plays no role in this. Only what is important for court is that there is the better future of the child with father or with mother. So when a court will be satisfied by your arguments, by the presentation of your lawyer, then it will definitely give the child custody to you. Friends, one more important thing, if the age of the child is below 5 years, then mother will get the custody. Exceptions are always there. If mother is not of sound mind, supposing some any other problem is there with mother, then father can get the custody. But generally, if the age of the child is below 5 years, then mother gets the custody. And after 5 years, father can apply for the child custody. Friends, if one party has got the child custody, then other party has visitation rights. So you can visit your child time to time. No need to get disheartened. If the other party gets the child custody, you can apply for it. You can have visitation rights also. So if your case of child custody is going on, or if you are planning to file this case, then friends, you need to take care of these points. Friends, I have made more videos also on child custody, but that are in Hindi. I will give those links in the description box. If your case of child custody is going on, they can be helpful for you. So friends, let's end this video. If this video is helpful for you, useful for you, then don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and thank you for watching.